Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another GRT price prediction update, which at the time of this recording is holding above the 20-day MA here on the 1 hour chart, which is now acting as support for us to continue gearing up. We have also continued to obey the Elliot wave structures, where we had been seeing a bit of a breakdown to the lower side in the formation of this wave 2, in a move that has now fully maximized our minimum target areas in that wave 2, and all this is playing out after we fully peaked in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.151 mark. And having seen the formation of that first wave and a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing at the moment is the start of an impulsive wave to the upside in the formation of this wave 3. And to also confirm to you of the impulsiveness in this move that we are seeing right here, you can see that at the time of this recording we are holding above the wave 1 high of this Elliot wave structure, which is enough confirmation that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3. And at the time of this recording, I'm also happy to say to you that we have now hit our first target areas to the upper side in the formation of this wave 3. And before I get further into the technical analysis to give you the short-term scenarios here on the GRT chart, first give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And allow me to first give you target areas in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave, and that now gives me a target area in the formation of that wave 3 at the fib level 1.618 as a minimum target area, and that is at around the $0.1716 mark, which is a target area at the time of this recording. You can see that we have managed to hit, and there are high chances that we have now peaked in the formation of that wave 3, but we don't have any confirmations for that because we still have some impulsiveness in this move over here, and we have not yet started to see any cool off to the lower side in the formation of this wave 4, and there are high chances that GRT is going to continue gearing up, get above the fib level 1.618, that is at around the $0.1716 mark, continue holding above it, and in case such a move plays out, then I'll be expecting GRT to take us to the next area on the Fibonacci's, that is the next target at the fib level 2.618, and that is at around the $0.1953 mark. So that is what we can expect here on the GRT chart. We need to have in mind that we have now hit our first target area, which is the minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and there are high chances that in case we continue gearing up, we are going to see GRT hit the fib level 2.618 at around the $0.1953 mark before we can expect a cool off in the formation of that wave 4, then continue gearing up in the formation of that wave 5 to complete an even larger Elliot wave count 3, which is right here, which is giving me the long-term scenarios, and now giving you the long-term outlook here on the GRT chart, basing it on this Elliot wave structure right here in red, where we have now bottomed out in the formation of that wave 2 within this red target area, and all this is after peaking in the formation of that first wave in a move that gave us a high at around the $0.2325 mark. And having seen that 1-2 setup, now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3 to the upside, which is impulsive, and because of its impulsive nature, I'm also expecting to see a 5 wave structure in formation, having the wave 5 fully maximizing our target areas and also giving us the high for that wave 3 to the upper side. And as a result of this micro Elliot wave count within the formation of that wave 3, that's the reason as to why you can see that I have these micro Elliot wave counts in yellow, where we have now peaked in that first wave, seen a corrective structure in the formation of this wave 2, and now my primary scenario is that whatever we are seeing is the formation of this wave 3 before we can see that wave 4, then a wave 5 to the upper side. And in the formation of the wave 3, which is impulsive, We are also seeing a 5 wave structure in formation, where we are in the formation of this wave 3 and we have just hit our minimum target area at the fib level 1.618 and still have the chances of getting to the next area on the Fibonacci's at the fib level 2.618. So that is what I'm expecting here on the GRT chart. And also taking a look at the indicators on the RSI, we are trading at around the 58 mark, meaning we have massive room for us to fully support higher prices. Also taking a look at the MACD, we have been able to print a bullish cross, fully supporting higher prices. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and I'll be keeping you updated.